welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's drawing, I'm gonna be doing a Pokemon character, and it is FENNEKIN. FENNEKIN is a newer Pokemon that I wasn't really familiar with until my son brought about this character about this fire type Pokemon. I thought it was really cute, so I thought I'll go ahead and do this drawing of this small fox-like Pokemon. So let's get started. Here we're gonna start with FENNEKIN's head. So he has a round head. So it's almost like a semicircle. You can see there. And then FENNEKIN has these like very pointed nose of a fox. I'm gonna color in the corner of the nose here. And then from here, FENNEKIN has a small smile, so I'll do a little curved line here. And then whiskers, kind of like really whiskey fur that comes off his cheeks. And then of course I'm gonna work on FENNEKIN's ears. FENNEKIN's ears has like these orange fur that comes out of it, so I'm gonna do that. You can see I start off like these pointed ends and I do round curved lines from it, and then has these pointed ears curving down that way. Let's do the same thing for the other ear as well. FENNEKIN is a really cute fox-like Pokemon with his cheeks like very large and dark orange eyes and a pointed black nose. Here I'm just going to finish up with these curved lines. So you can see FENNEKIN's head is slowly coming into place. So hot air actually vents from FENNEKIN's ears, reaching really high temperatures. And then here I have FENNEKIN's little tail. And then here is FENNEKIN's hind leg, so the back leg. And of course I have to draw 4 legs for FENNEKIN. So there is the front leg here. There you go. And then of course now I'm gonna work on the back legs. So you're gonna see the legs are quite pointed, whereas like the top of the leg's a little bit wider. Now this leg's gonna go behind and tuck behind the first leg, and then we'll start drawing the other leg. So now we have 4 legs, but something is missing. I think we're missing the tail for FENNEKIN. FENNEKIN has a very large bushy tail, so let's do that. It's pointed at one end and I do curved lines from that. And then I'm gonna do like these wavy kind of like petal pattern for FENNEKIN's tail. And then of course we have to add on eyes for FENNEKIN. I mentioned how FENNEKIN has these really large orange eyes, so we're gonna start by drawing these eyes here, and then I'm gonna leave a little bit of white in the middle of the pupil to kind of show the light reflection off of FENNEKIN's eye. And then we're almost wrapped up for the outline here and ready to start coloring. So for coloring, I love getting my colors ready first, like getting all the colors I plan on using before I start coloring. I know for FENNEKIN I needed some orange and yellow, so I'm gonna get those colors ready. Now I certainly try my best to color within the lines and make sure that like I don't miss any gaps, but it's never perfect, and that's okay. I think part of drawing is just having fun and enjoying the process. So let's start coloring with this orange marker here. so I'm just about wrapped up for this Pokemon drawing FENNEKIN, this fox-like Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed the step-by-step drawing. I'd love to hear from you if there's other Pokemons you would like me to draw in the future. And if you like the content on this channel, I appreciate it very much if you consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for considering. So here is the final product, FENNEKIN, a fox Pokemon from the Pokemon series. Thank you so much for joining me, and hopefully I will see you in future videos. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.